Being insecure. Yeah, you're insecure. You're insecure. You're the person who just used the word insecure. So you're the insecure.
Why scared?
Because you're fucking talking to me directly.
What's my business?
What the fuck are you going to do?
Get out now. Get out to where?
Fucking say
Watch the moment Maria and Jackie B fight over shipping gossips. The drama in the Big Brother NAIJA Season 6 shine your eyes, getting interesting as the day goes by with many altercations here and there. Well, today we had the first major altercation in the house after Maria and Jackie B got at each other's face over shipping gossips in the house. Apparently, some female housemates were heard gossiping about Emma Rose, Emmanuel and Lico Rose, and Pere and Maria ships in the day. While they were gossiping, they mentioned that some ships are already sinking in the house. Unfortunately for them, Lico Rose overheard some of their conversation. Lico Rose disclosed what she heard to Maria and Sammy. According to Lico Rose, she was reporting Angel to her close friend Sammy in the house. Maria, while confronting Angel over what was discussed about her, had an altercation with Jackie B. The altercation got personal when Maria called Jackie B a hoe, which didn't sit well with Jackie B, that retorted that her son is watching the show. Jackie B also made a comment about Maria's face turning red, which made Maria call her a racist.
Fine.
I'm very fine. Don't worry. Take care. Don't worry. Your face will go back to normal color very soon. You'll be okay.
Bruh, if you bring racism into it, I'll give it to you how you want it. If you bring fucking racism into it,
baby girl, you are Nigerian like me.
Exactly. So what the fuck are you talking about? How color? You say it's idiot. Have you seen your
Call me idiot.
Have you actually seen your
Call me anything you want to call me, baby girl.
Ain't nobody
You'll be
baby
okay.
girl.
Relax yourself.
Keep it fucking real. Nobody's your fucking baby girl. We're not even friends.
Keep it in
Besides, I don't like you. I'll make it